I had the opportunity to talk to one of the co-designers of Codenames Duet, Scot Eaton. He's a longtime friend of mine and is currently working on a special project about putting Christmas games into Christmas ornaments. I offered to shoot him a series of designer diaries for that, and this is the first one. I hope you enjoy.
So I remember at some point in our early discussions, I said to Jordan, let me get this straight. You want 6 Christmas games. Each game has to be simple enough for a child to teach to their grandparent, but still be exciting enough for a hobby gamer to enjoy. None of them can be rethemes of existing games, and each of the games has to be good enough to be a breakout hit. They're going to be in 3-inch ornaments, so they can't have boards or player mats, and to top it all off, they have to hit a retail price of under $20 per game. He said, yeah, dude, are there any other design constraints I should know about? Yeah, we have 5 months. Are you in? So, of course I said yes. And not only to designing one game, but to designing the entire line. Because during the conversation, I only had one thing in mind, and that's this ornament right here. This ornament was my favorite ornament on my family's tree, because it doesn't just look like a book. You can open it up, and you can actually read the story of the Nutcracker inside. Every year when we decorated the tree, I looked for this ornament. And when my parents were getting rid of the childhood ornaments, I made sure that I got this one so I could always keep it. My kids don't really think that this is cool, but they do have their own Christmas thing. So every year we have an advent calendar of Christmas books. And in all of the Christmas books, they feel the outside of the packages, because we wrap each of them, trying to find this one. It's called The Jolly Christmas Postman. Now, this is a fun book where the postman is going around delivering letters and gifts on Christmas. And as you are going through, you get to see the letters that he delivers. You can see this is kind of beat up. One of the letters right here is a board game. And this is why they love the book. They love the board game inside, and they take it out and play it and have a good time. So when Jordan talked to me about Garland Games, I thought of this, I thought of this, and I said, I get to put them together. Why would I say no? See, when you're a game designer, you know that if you're lucky, your game's going to get played 4 times. And then whoever has bought it and played it is going to move on to the next one. And it can be really discouraging as a designer. But when I thought about this project and I thought about searching through that ornament box for my favorite ornament and my kids unwrapping these books, I realized that this wasn't just going to be a game design project. It was going to be something special. It was going to be something where I was giving a child the Christmas memory that they're going to remember for the rest of their life. In the end, this is what we came up with, the Garland Games Ornaments. So if you want this, if you want to find that special holiday memory and have that ornament that your kids are going to be looking for every year, we've got a Kickstarter running through the month of November. You can go to garlandgames.indietoylabs.com. It'll bring you straight to the page, and we'd love to have you on board.